Foodborne diseases are nasty. They make people very sick and even kill thousands every year. That's why ensuring food safety is so important. In our previous video, we talked about the main methods for killing microbes in food. Today, we will learn about a management system that helps to control food safety hazards more efficiently. This system is called Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, or HACCP. Let's start with the basics. HACCP is a system for identifying, evaluating, and controlling the biological, chemical, and physical hazards that can cause harm to humans when they eat food. It is a preventative approach to food safety that focuses on reducing or eliminating the potential for harm throughout the food production process. A step is only a HACCP if it is a point where a hazard can be prevented, eliminated, or reduced to an acceptable level. Imagine you run a small food truck that sells burgers and fries. Using HACCP, you can identify the potential hazards associated with each step in the process, such as the growth of harmful bacteria in the burger patties or cross-contamination with cleaning chemicals. You can then determine which of these steps are critical control points, such as cooking the burger patties to a safe internal temperature or preventing contact with cleaning chemicals. By implementing control measures at these critical points, you can reduce the risk of foodborne illness to acceptable levels. Not all steps in the food production process are HACCPs. To be a HACCP, a step must be a specific point in the process where control can be applied. It must be before any subsequent step that can affect the current step, and it must have the ability to control the hazard. There are 7 principles of HACCP that must be followed in order for a food safety management system to be considered HACCP compliant. These principles are listed here. Number 1, conduct a hazard analysis. Number 2, identify the critical control points. Number 3, determine the critical limits. The critical limit for this CCP might be an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. This means that the meat must be cooked to this temperature for this duration in order to kill any harmful bacteria. A thermometer can be used to monitor the temperature and ensure that it reaches the critical limit. If the temperature is not within the critical limits, the burgers are not safe to eat and must be discarded or cooked properly. Number 4, establish a critical control system. Number 5, monitor the critical control points. It is often required by food safety regulatory agencies and is a key component of food safety certification programs. Additionally, HACCP is used in other industries such as pharmaceuticals and cosmetics to ensure the safety and quality of their products. Number 6, verify that the system is working. Number 7, implement corrective actions. We will discuss these principles in detail in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned. The first principle is hazard analysis. This involves identifying the potential biological, chemical, and physical hazards that could occur at each step of the food production process. Biological hazards are caused by the growth and spread of microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Chemical hazards can be caused by the use of pesticides, cleaning chemicals, and other substances that are not intended to be consumed. Physical hazards can include foreign objects such as glass, metal, and wood that may cause choking or injury. Once potential hazards have been identified, the next step is to determine the critical control points, or HACCPs. These are the steps in the food production process where control measures can be applied to prevent, eliminate, or reduce the identified hazards to acceptable levels. For example, cooking food to a specific temperature can be a hack to destroy harmful bacteria. Similarly, monitoring the temperature of refrigerated foods can be a hack to prevent the growth of microorganisms. It's important to note that not every step in the food production process is a hack food. Let's look at how HACCP is applied in practice. For example, one of the critical control points in producing hamburgers may be the cooking temperature, because this is the point where harmful bacteria in the meat can be destroyed. HACCP is widely used in the food industry to ensure the safety of food products. That's all for today. You want to know more about food safety? Check out our other videos. See you next time.